Hello, Alana. I am just popping in to wish you a very happy birthday. Welcome to the most fabulous decade. I certainly hope you feel very spoiled today because it certainly is a very special day. I am wishing you so much love and happiness. You have so many reasons to celebrate. Have a super happy 60th birthday. Mwah.
Hello to my pretty and strong Auntie Alona og nice pa jud kaayong tingog. Happiest 60th birthday. May your all wishes granted. More blessings to come, especially good health, and God bless you and your family. Enjoy your special day. Mwah. Thank you. Goodbye. Enjoy.
Hello, Auntie Aluna, sa pinakagwapa na kong iyaan, pinakabuutan. Salamat sa tanan-tanan, Auntie. Thank you very much and happy birthday, Di. Happy birthday. May God bless you and give you more candles to blow. I miss you, Auntie. I love you. Mwah.
Hi ma, happy birthday. Gusto na ko dagan pa yung tuig mo abot sa imo o enjoy ang imong special day. Love you.
Hi auntie! Kumusta? Happy 60th birthday. Hinaot nga hatagan pa kag dugang katuigan ug pang kabaskog sa kalawasan ug sa inyong tanang pamilya. I miss you all! Cheers!
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Alona. Enjoy your senior year. Tapos, good health, God bless, and more discount to come.
Hi, te. Happy 60th birthday. Nanadyo ka sa 60th era, te. Tatagaan pa ka og mga 50 years. Maka-avail na ka og kaning discount sa senior citizenship. Wish you all the best and good health, good long life, and happy birthday.
Hello, Ante. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come and have a good health. Ang edad, numero ra na. Pabata. Ayog, sige, pabaya diya. Ha? Love you. Miss you.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Alona. More blessings to come. Enjoy your day.